If you dey look me koro plus you dey hear me whine, now be say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman television station Wazobia TV for Start Times channel 195, and the ogbonge program we will carry come today as usual every weekday now as E Dey Hot. The topical, I go speak English because the thing is strong. The topical genge politic discussion show where we dey talk for language when we say everybody understand. Every day we dey carry topic where they come out smoke. And today own, make I drop and make una understand. Now, we get February 14th general elections for this country, the presidential elections, when we say everybody, they look forward to that. Is all of us, they prepare for the elections. And we no go lie, we get two major candidates, that's the People's Democratic Party, Oga Jonathan Goodluck, and the All Progressive Congress, General Muhammadu Buhari, retired. Now, anytime when these two people, they cough or they do Asian, everybody go cash code, sake of saying that two of them, and then they the front. Now, Oga Buhari talk am for campaign for Rivers State, say under in government, everybody when don't chop, when they plan chop, when they dream of chop, when go think to chop money, go get room and parlor inside Kirikiri. And Oga Jonah self talking on say, he go open the whole kaka of all the leaders for inside this Obodo Naija when don't fail us. We want chook mouth inside these two statements when the two of them talk to open and make Nigerians see them well, can't chook mouth for inside this matter. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabi well as he take concern this matter as E Dey Hot.
That same brother when Sabi well. His name na Unkubi. And welcome to us, E Dey Hot. Chuku, you don't introduce the topic to now. So now waiting they chook eye into, chook mouth, chook everything chookable into. And we'll also open the phone line for now to also call in and also, join mouth, join everything we na fit join on top of this matter we want to talk about. Now, good morning.
Yes, I no go like make mistake. So I go talk am now before I throw the question, go give Nkubi. We dey on top of Facebook. Go the Wazobia fan page. If you never like am, what you dey wait for? Tell your friends, tell your loved ones, tell your family. Like am. Anywhere when you see our thread, put your comments for there. We there for Twitter too, at TV as E Dey Hot. And you can send us email to our website, as edeyyhot@wazobiatv.tv. And as the only television station, where Vicky go to take do pepper soup for una. We knock una with 3 telephone lines. Save them, store them, begin the call us when we throw our phone lines open. Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
Nkubi.
Chukwudi.
You be like say you go need to raise your voice.
No, they hear you talk.
Make you not be like say you dey fear. Now, how you take reason this matter when we discuss today?
Chukwudi, first thing first, may I first start from General Muhammadu Buhari retired. From the first way he first started. So look, say in go send, look, wait a minute, what? In go send retire corrupt leaders. Just as you take introducer, anybody they plan to chop, anybody don't chop, anybody will say, even if that's small chop, anybody don't chop in one way. Say you go send and go creek, go build house for and there, especially say this is going to be your room and parlor. This now word from a man of trust. This now word from a man of the people. This now word we say we come from somebody who say from his past results, the action we carry out should say yes. Say this kind of thing. I think talk and so in good one. So we don't need to blink our eyes, say, make we reason and first to now waiting will happen. Me and you know that one. And then make we also look Oga Jonah's statement. He talks, say, look, say I go expose past leaders, open their nyash. The question can be say, Oga Jonah don't dey power for how long? He no open nyash that time. Why be saying now where we say election done they reach? Now you can't open, say you want open nyash. Okay, fine. If you want open nyash, open their nyash, make we see their own fault, make we know whether we go feel say okay, make we follow you or not. I've not been so Chukwudi. That's why I take reason now.
Thank you very much. You don't talk well. And I really like as you take break these two statements down, make Nigerians understand that. Now, Nigerians, I don't think they talk about every time when this show starts. Say, make we do our own research to avoid waiting.
Wait. Hold on. Hold on. You commend me now, say I talk well. Now, you see they go back to that 21 they like making they talk, say make people they do their research. Wait till they try tell me. Indirectly they try tell me, say wait now talk now. Say
No. I don't talk say
no. So there's no point telling Nigerians say, look, do your research well. Because indirectly you're still telling me that. And it's not be they do my research well. I carry out my research very, very well.
I not talk say you know do your research.
So there's no point telling Nigerians say, look, do your this thing. Say make they do their research.
I not talk say you know carry out your research.
That is not become your national anthem now.
No. What are they try talking and say, as you do like this now, you be analyst. And the analysis when you they give, they help people to form their own opinion.
Okay.
But now then get their decision. You know if you force them.
Of course.
So they try talk say, if they hear you, if they hear me, make them do their own study so that they go find balance. That's the only thing I'm talking about.
Anytime we want to talk, so they talk like this, we just talk them.
Okay.
No, they try to refer to me personally, say, see, what that how they use? Ignore what they call them.
I say make Nigerians they do their research to avoid argumentum ad ignorantium.
Okay.
Arguing from the point of ignorance. It could be no verse. Thank you very much. Now, we go start with the statement when General Muhammadu Buhari make. And I've been write something down when you talk. I be like say you don't notice her. You don't put yourself for trouble.
Now you put yourself for trouble.
You talk say make we check past results.
When under in government.
Thank you very much. General
Muhammadu not send people to prison.
Make I talk when
corrupt leaders to prison.
Make I talk now.
Why leaders they fear her now?
Make I talk.
Why the opposition they fear her?
Thank you very much. General Muhammadu Buhari, you talk and say he send people go prison, corrupt people. Yes. That's a fallacious statement.
Why?
Excuse me, because you are generalizing, and I go break them down for you. General Muhammadu Buhari, he lead government when do waiting, when we say take over from democratically elected government. Thank you very much. When Chief Olusegun, General Olusegun Obasanjo at that time retired, he hand over power to Alhaji Shehu Shagari, the first executive president of Nigeria, 1979 to 1983. Nigerians can't come out, can't do election, can't return this man go office. But what we see, soldier people come out this man for office, and who lead that government? After, whether na in comotamo, whether not being comotable, who lead government will pursue?
But you ask yourself.
Excuse me, okay, not they ask me. I must finish my point before you ask me.
Question because for military to take over democracy. Truncate democracy. You ask whether that government, that democratic government, whether they are there sincere. Because there were loopholes, corruption cases for that same era. So I think because he felt it that look, no, this is becoming too much. And there were crises when me and you say, oh, they happened that time. And in fact, look, if we continue like this might lead to under begin no one. And for that reason, make we call the shot the shot. What are we not saying?
Make I explain now. Nigerians, I always say it. I go speak English. My hands are clean. Our hands are clean. The good when we don't see inside the good luck. Now it go make us come out to do it to ensure say we continue to see the good luck inside this our country they go. You talk say corruption cases there. Make we check antecedents. By antecedents, what I mean, what it don't happen before it happen. No be in government be the first military government when don't come. And every excuse when they always they give now say corruption. Is there a justification for a wrong action? Somebody no, they tell me say make I finish what I want to.
Make I also ask you.
Somebody
during that same era of that military era when they in power, you ever hear any case of corruption?
Thank you very much. Beautiful. No, make I explain. You come here now talk say send corrupt people go prison. I hope say you know say every military government they suspend constitution. What is the constitution? Constitution are the body of laws.
Of course I know what the constitution be.
I thought say you don't know what the constitution be.
Thank you.
Constitution are the body of laws. When we say government they operate. If you suspend constitution, you can't they operate by decrees and edicts. What do you mean? Chief Alex Ekweme, I go talk him. Chief Alex Ekweme, former vice president of Nigeria, they place him under waiting house arrest. Now you don't suspend constitution. Person no get right to fair trial. You can't talk say him they corrupt. How you go take justifier?
To shift this matter, they look the individual, the credibility.
Which individual?
The credibility of the individual.
Which credibility of which individual?
The man where we say when he was in power as a military head of state. Yes, we saw that transparency in government. We saw that corruption-free government. And this is the man that has promised, say, look, if Nigerians, if me and you vote and enter power, say, look, what you say, corruption, all those loopholes, all those holes, say, where our past government, people they chop from, where we say, if they take us back, if they make us withdraw from development. Say development don't even take shape at all. Say in go block them. Say in go block those reports. Chukudi, what does that tell you?
Oga, we know
that tells you that look, Nigeria is in for a big change.
Oga, we know one promises.
Nigeria is in for a very big change.
We know one promises.
A big transformation.
We know one promises.
See, they will give now money. Say,
our people went there for house.
Oh, no.
We go rush, go this quick break. Not the thought say, oh, no. We go rush, go this quick break. When we come back, we'll continue this discussion of the two statements where we say two Ogbonge people. I talk them, two Ogbonge people for this Nigeria. Don't make we bring out the truth when they inside them. When they come back. You don't enter trouble.
Don't they point me hand.
You don't enter trouble. E DEY HOT, the Ogbonge political discussion show when they bring topic where they come on smoke as it concern me and you when they inside we Obodo, Nigeria. What we discuss this morning at the talk when General Muhammadu Buhari retired and Oga Jonathan Goodluck they talk. Muhammadu Buhari to say all the people when not chop money, when they chop money and when one chop Nigeria money, they will get room and parlor for inside Kirikiri. And Oga Jonathan don't talk say he go open the kaka of all the people when we say they don't leave this country before and they don't fail us. Still they lick mouth for this matter to open everything.
So back to it now, I tell you before. At the time, say they look the credibility of the person who they talk about. Muhammad Buhari retired.
When rule us as soldier.
Yes.
When suspend constitution.
Where you also know say during your own leadership, say transparency day for government. Where also know say during your own this say wait, hold on.
Not they tell me make I hold on.
Hold on.
I go
hold on.
Okay, you know what?
Hold on.
Okay, I hold on. Sit down where because as you they come near me, they be like say you want to attack me. Sit down where.
Just calm yourself.
Okay, talk.
Because I was about firing you.
Firing me.
So as I talk, listen to me. So corruption-free government. Okay, this man don't tell you say, look, I won't bring in change. I won't make sure say, look, once you carry project, give people. We're not going to hear say they don't spend the money. So that I think once they carry project, give somebody like you go yes, say at least you go see say yes, the work where give you say you carry them out effectively because of waiting, because of say. Critically, don't they stand by if you know do them. So that is the kind of government we want, Chukudi. Government will say, in the end, the money we they spend, when they give us, say, take do this thing, take carry out this project, take make sure say the life of Nigerians good. We go see and work. So what I will say, Chukudi, what other kind of leader do you want?
You know they talk waiting, you know they...
What other kind of leader do you want?
This your talk, no, they move me.
Why not we move you?
This guy, I go speak English.
Why not we move you?
All these utterances.
Utterances like
all these utterances say you go give person room and parlor for kirikiri now to score cheap political points.
How?
And to win votes.
See, Chukudi,
I go explain now.
Talk so.
I go explain.
You know why?
I go explain.
You know why? You know why? We don't make a cheap political talk.
Why?
Utterances.
Why?
Because we don't see and do it before.
As a military head of state. When he suspend constitution.
Forget constitution.
Put Chief Alex Ekweme under house arrest.
I think corruption not in that time.
Put Alex Ekweme under house arrest.
Corruption not in that time.
Give the person a fair trial.
Fair trial where?
Give the person a fair trial.
When they very clear in the eyes of Nigeria.
Okay, Nigeria. Okay, you don't say it. Make I talk now.
Talk.
Okay. Now, we know what thing they happened before for this country. You get what those of us who study government. I go talk am. You get what they call horse trading. I go talk the whole thing.
Talk. Go can them make them hear you. What is that?
Allow me to come from.
Why can't they make a thief? Would they argue? Talk what you want to talk.
Okay, no problem. Now, we know some kind of statements when we say many of these people don't make before. But now they don't become waiting. They don't become the same bedfellows. They don't become the same waiting bedfellows. And all of a sudden, the person when we say before you talk say he belong to one people when we say they do bad thing. Now he don't turn born again. Because he don't become your friend now. You don't baptize him and he don't clear.
Look, what you make my friend?
Use which friend?
As a Nigerian. As a,
people when we say they be governor, people when be governor for the same PDP, when you talk say don't destroy this country, they call your party, they call your friend.
What I want is change. Because over years, I never see anything be change. It don't reflect my life. I want change. Because Nigerians are the way they go through difficulty. I want see change for their life.
Thank you.
Unemployed youths, I want to see them get employment.
Thank you.
Empower people, that's what we want.
Thank you.
When we go... This is the same website, you don't look, as part of your plan to make sure things go well. You
go cost change for your own pocket and the pocket of your friends.
Okay, give me one typical example. Give me one typical example of money where you not steal.
No, they tell me say.
No, tell Nigerians.
I'm not saying.
Tell Nigerians.
I'm not saying steal money.
Okay.
I'm not saying steal money.
You see
I'm not saying steal money.
Okay, at the top, look, this is a man where we say, if he come to power, he don't promise to provide 3 million.
We know one promise. We know one promise.
Hold on.
We know one
3
promise.
3 million jobs in a year.
In the only 2 ways.
Calculate them in 4 years. That is about 12 million jobs.
All of them, they come now. Promise.
See,
Nigerians are tired of promises.
With their promises, they see their promises reflect.
For where? Where do you reflect?
Take Lagos as an example.
Where you reflect?
Take Lagos as an example.
Say people they complain. People they complain of taxes.
These are people who say they will make promises. In the end, you go see the promise they show.
Give us an example of these promises when they make promises.
Results. Fashola not provide jobs for Lagos here.
For you and who?
For
you and who?
He provide jobs.
For
he
you and who?
Job opportunities.
For you and who?
Through lawman.
Through
a lot of through last man. What are we not saying?
Nigerians, our hands are clean.
What are the hands?
We are tired of. See, no, they come and they promise us. It's very easy for you to do it. You go give guys a room and follow.
Some of the results of the positions.
We never see any of the results.
Providing jobs for 12 million.
We never see any of the results.
That is a credible.
We never see any of the results.
That is the kind of leadership.
If we talk of, make we talk of waiting we don't see. Make we talk of what we don't see.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Don't see under Jonathan
Thank you very much.
What we don't see under Jonathan era?
I go talk him now. I go talk him.
Talk.
Nigeria now. don't they put eye for non-oil revenues. Nigeria want to generate money from not be only oil. These same people when they talk now, when they come here, they promise us say they go create 4 million jobs in how many years? Now them be the same people who say rule us before. They don't create any job.
Fallacious job statistics where Minister of Finance come and say, look, a particular number of Nigerians have been employed. Well, we say, me and you don't say na lie.
Oga, we there here when they start you win.
Na lie.
We there here when they start you win.
What has been the essence of you win?
People don't benefit from man.
State.
People don't benefit from man. What it be mentioned? The figures are there.
What
statistics they there?
Shopee. Mention
statistics they there.
Mention Shopee.
Thank you very much.
Mention Shopee.
Make we talk about diversification.
They will carry money, throw into projects. We will see the result.
What about agriculture? What would they see for agriculture?
Okay, tell me now.
One very good example. Now cocoa gari, not the cough, come near me. If you want cough, no. If you not the cough, come near me.
Oh God.
We don't talk health, don't they? As you they cough like this now, you feel walk into any of our hospital, they treat you for free. True or false?
Chukudi.
Not they call my name.
What did my cough get to do with what did they talk about?
Because government they work. If government no they work and you begin to cough.
Something choked me. I can't they cough.
And I can't they tell you say with this cough when you they cough, you feel enter our hospital.
I don't cough because I don't cough.
You don't cough.
Something choked me.
You can't cough out.
Can't cough.
I can't tell you say if you go to our hospital, they go treat you.
What is that supposed to mean?
What if at the talk point?
State point. No, they take me to.
Make I continue.
No, they take me. I know they ask me for the example.
Make I continue. Your point. Make I continue with the points when they make. Nigerians, make una they listen. Oh, make we they listen. It is not just by coming out and talking. Say you go send people go kiri. The Bible even talk. Say remove.
Samantha is not still mentioned Bible.
If you not sabi Bible,
what is wrong with
if you not sabi Bible, you not concern me.
State your fact.
The Bible talk.
Bible
say remove the chewing stick from your eye. Remove the chewing stick from your eye before you remove the weight in the iroko tree from another man's eye.
Chukudi.
The same people when they frolic with. Now them be the most corrupt people for this country.
Let him enter into power first.
We cannot
allow him enter into power.
Allow him enter.
Make we see whether that change you know go see.
Allow him enter where?
These same people when they talk say they frolic. Now the same people when say for their own state.
They don't chop money.
We don't see
they don't chop money for their own state.
Take example.
They don't chop money for their own state.
I mentioned Osun State. I mentioned Edo State.
And then they chop money for there. No. And we see free and fair election for all these states.
Idris is calling us from Zaria, one of our regular callers. Idris, good morning.
Good morning, Chukudi. It could be how on a day.
Good day, fine.
How is work?
Fine, sir.
This topic today is a hot one.
Yes.
And I like it so much.
Yes.
Chukudi.
Sir.
Which I do ask you to say, is it a crime? We all know how. See, most of us were young when Buhari ruled us here.
As a military head of state.
It doesn't mean.
He does go.
Wait, let him talk now.
He does.
Let him talk.
Everybody was happy. Because the masses were enjoying this rule. Everybody was following queue. You have to feel because there was order. You don't shunt, you don't do because you're scared. That is by God. Fine. This man now came out and said, okay, because most of us were saying, so are you just take our money and just go like that? It's not possible. Is it your money?
Is it your money?
This is God-given country, not your own personal estate.
Wait, let him talk.
So, okay, fine. Some of us are saying, you should forget about them. Let's just continue.
Okay, Idris, we cannot forget our history.
Thank you very much.
We cannot forget our history.
Thank you very much. You've made your point, Chukudi.
Okay, Idris.
Is it your money?
Okay, Idris.
He asked you a question.
Okay,
is it your money?
It is impossible to forget our history.
Is it your money?
We not forget our history.
It is the money for the people.
We not forget our history.
That is why these people need to be
We must go back to history.
We get under caller.
Make we take this call. Tehis, they call us from Abuja. Oga Tehis, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine.
Okay. The issue for today, I think all this matter I want to argue. To me, both candidates get right. But what we want now a positive change. We are tired of the old news for 6 years. And Buhari has come to say that simple.
Thank you very much for that statement. Thank you.
And two, if you be criminal, I beg, we know where criminal people suppose they na jail, not be Aso Rock, not be ministry, not be special district, na.
Ogata His. Make your point. I dey feel your point.
Ogata His, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes,
thank you very much. One of the best points so far, Ogata His. Thank you very much.
Yes, Ogata His.
Answer to this question.
I go answer him.
Respond to it.
I go respond to that.
Respond quickly.
You see, I still they insist am for here, say, We can never disregard our history. We can never disregard our history.
What really
we must go back to history.
Okay.
Person will not get respect for our constitution.
For me, I believe
person will not get respect for our constitution.
Philosophy or in the ideology of forward ever, backward never.
Oh.
Let us move forward. Let us look ahead. Let us seek for change.
If we believe in forward ever,
for change for how long? For 14 years, how many years they don't they in power? We never see anything. That change, we want it right now.
If we believe in forward ever and backward never,
Matthew is coming
now say the good one we don't see inside the good luck, now it go continue. Because we don't see changes for this country.
For how long? How much of the good luck you don't see?
We don't see diversification for agriculture.
Our
agriculture minister come and say we don't save $2 billion US.
We got Matthew is calling us from ABG Abuja. Good morning, Mr. Matthew.
Good morning,
Yes. We dey hear you.
Okay. See, let us tell ourselves the truth. We should not deceive ourselves as a Nigerian. You understand?
Yes.
So those people, they have failed us before. And we should leave Jonathan to complete the good work that he has started. So, and that is just the truth. There's nothing, all these arguments, So those people, during military regime, if Buhari want to enjoy what they call a democracy,
Thank you.
Why did he terminate?
Why did he terminate a democratic government?
We suffer under the dictatorship for how many years?
Dictatorship.
So what are we talking about? So if Jonathan don't win the election, who do you want to win?
Thank you.
So they have failed us. So let us join hand and vote Jonathan to
Thank you very much. Oga Matthew, you don't make plenty points. Unkubi, address what you don't talk.
Oga Matthew don't
address what you don't talk.
No doubt. Yes, and our status.
You want to enjoy democracy after you scatter democracy. You want to enjoy democracy after you scatter democracy.
He wanted change.
Is it possible? You scatter democracy. Now you want to enjoy democracy.
Osas is calling us from Benin. Good
Hello.
morning, Osas.
Good morning, Okubi.
Yes.
How you doing now?
We dey fine.
What about Chukudi? Chukudi, how you doing?
I dey fine, Osas. We dey hear you.
Okay, the only thing I want to say, if Jonathan no say he be honorable person, make he resign. We don't need that for post again. You don't stop. That one I don't do okay for now.
Thank you.
Osas.
Hold on.
Osas, I get question.
Osas has made his point. Don't ask him any question.
Osas. I want to ask Osas whether Osas don't collect the permanent voters card. I want to ask Osas whether don't collect the permanent voters card.
Osas, I know say I trust me. Right from the deep of my mind, I know say you don't collect your voters card. So no matter what you could talk. Answer to it, no Osas talk.
Yes, Osas. For you to come and talk, say, Oga Presido, make him resign. That is a defeatist ideology.
Defeating?
Yes, a defeatist ideology.
It is honorable to
Our Oga Presido don't start waiting. No other person for this country don't do. No other person for this country don't do.
Resign honorably.
Transportation, no other person face am. Now, you fit enter train for this Nigeria, travel from Enugu to Port Harcourt, two of us.
Chukudi.
Answer the question.
Chukudi.
The bunch,
Our
the bunch when they sing song, they come and they shout, Koko Gari, Koko Gari, Koko Gari. If no be say our government don't diversify, enter agriculture, everybody they wait for oil. All these states they line up, go collect oil money at the end of every month. Not be waiting they talk. Our government don't diversify. We don't save $2 billion from the distribution of fertilizer for agriculture. What do you mean by quick change?
Bandele is calling us from Benin. Good morning, Mr. Bandele.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bamidele.
Yeah, I'm Bamidele. I am calling from Benin.
Okay.
Oga Chukudi.
Sir.
Yeah, I'm enjoying the program very well.
Thank you very much, sir.
You see, for Buhari to overthrow
the civilian government, the democratically elected government,
due to the corruption.
There's no justification. There's no justification.
Continue, Oga Bamidele.
Yeah, the corruption after that time was too much.
Oh, God.
So I wish Buhari did not overthrow Shagari that time. By this time, Nigeria could have turned upside down. So now the corruption is getting too much again now.
And he wants to come and overthrow again. He wants to come and overthrow again.
If you look at right from 1990, this time now, look at Jonathan, the worst president we have ever got. In Nigeria, the worst president we don't get. Look at the way they encourage corruption. Imagine a home minister where he get use 10 billion naira. 10 billion for jet maintenance. Imagine 250 million that they take by bulletproof motor. He cannot prove all these people. Then now, excuse me, sir. Now they talking about proving people Nyash. Why not prove their Nyash before, Jonathan?
Oh.
So as it did now, we want change in Nigeria. We want change. That's where we go. Be say yes. It makes Nigeria okay. Now we
thank you very much.
If vote of Buhari, if by 2-3 years, you know, to change that, then we go still vote them out.
Yeah.
You see.
We need
But
Buhari,
you see,
if
you not fit.
Thank you very much. In fact, your point, they kajad. I'll give you 3 gosa for your point where you just make.
I go come enter waiting. President Jonathan talk. Oga Jonathan say he go expose all our leaders when don't fail us.
Yes.
Make we look.
Before
what do you mean by that?
One, make we first take this call from Lekon. Lekon is calling us from Ikorodu. Good morning,
Hello,
Lekon.
good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, for this country, we need change.
Change.
We need change. Correct change, we need it. During this Christmas, I'm living at university. During this Christmas, as the company no work, we get light. Now, when company resume, we don't have light again.
Oh.
That is sabotage.
Hold on.
That is sabotage.
Let Lekon talk.
Wait.
Now, President Jonathan, they off the light. Now, they off and they on them. Now, they off and they on them.
Chukodi, hold on.
I dey hear you.
Minister of Chukodi.
I dey hear you.
Minister of Aviation, he buy 2 cars, 225 million. Have you? 225 million. There's a Minister of Petroleum, whether I buy jet. We need change, please. Chukudi, we need change.
Thank you very much.
We need change.
Ogalekon, I go address with Ogalekon not talk. No. Make I address with Ogalekon. Make I address with Ogalekon not talk.
We don't get 6 callers, 6 strong callers. 5 out of these 6 Thursday. All we want is change. Change. That be the resounding word.
Nigerians, we know say we want change. But when we talk about change, what kind of change do we want?
We want change.
Now change for the pocket of some people. Now change for the pocket of some people.
We want change in the educational system. We want change in the transportation system.
Thank you.
We want change in the power sector.
Thank you.
We want change in corruption.
Thank you. Nigerians, make I come break them down now. Oga Jonah come and talk say he go expose our past leaders.
What is taking him long?
Thank you very much. Now, make we look Lagos State now. People, they look, say, development, they Lagos State. Now, development, they Lagos State because the government consolidates on waiting their meat for ground. Alhaji Lateef Jakonde. We still get, for housing, we still get Jakonde Estate. You say waiting? You say waiting?
I'm not denying the fact that
how many new projects? How many new projects this government they don't build?
Hold on.
How many new roads they build? How many new roads?
Hosna, they call us from Mina. Good morning, Hosna.
Hello, Hosna.
Hosna, good morning.
We don't miss that call from Hosna from Mina.
You mention this thing.
They mention Jakonde.
Mention the various projects where under this leadership of Fashola, on the various projects where you sincerely, for a short man, we got admit say yes, he put up.
How many projects? They mention.
A whole lot.
They mention.
I don't need to mention.
A whole lot, no be number.
Nigerians are there. They have
a whole lot, no be number.
Nigerians can attest to it.
A whole lot, no be number. A whole lot, no be number. You they say a whole lot.
Check it out.
Alhaji Lateef Jakonde build road. You put toll gates. You put toll gates. They collect money for road where another person build.
Where and where did he put up this?
You say waiting.
Where and where?
Who build the road? Who build the road?
Henry is calling us.
Person build road. You they collect toll gate on top.
Henry is calling us from Edugo. Let Henry talk now. Good morning,
Henry. No verse. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm just viewing the program for the very first time, and I really like.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much, Henry.
What I want to comment on actually. PDP, APC, I feel they're both the same thing.
Thank you very much.
Hold on.
APC
and some people are saying change.
APC should not act like they're the most righteous.
Thank you.
And try to make people see PDP as a bad party. They are both, should I say, persons who left PDP and went to APC.
To APC, thank you.
Character is still there. So what we all should be praying for right now is for that change to actually happen. And to me, I feel Buhari is a grandfather who should be at home taking care of his grandchildren and not coming into politics and trying to fill the air with certain statements and certain things that even if when it comes to office, he will still do the same thing that PDP is even doing. So what we all should be praying for is for God to at least intervene and bring about that change.
Thank you very much.
And we
are already seeing the change. In transportation, we can see the change. In education, we can see the change. Almajiri schools, 9 federal universities, agriculture.
Talk is fallacious.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Henry.
It is fallacious.
Continue to watch as they ought, make it call us. You cannot say it's fallacious.
Look, listen to me.
You cannot say it's fallacious.
Say if Buhari come in, see that the same way he do, where others do, he go do. But we have a test of Buhari's leadership.
As a military head of state, that suspended the constitution.
Don't you think
that suspended the constitution? Make we take this call. Elohim. Elohim, they call us from Calabar. Oga Elohim, I know say you go talk well. Oga Elohim, good morning.
Talk. Nobody should the talk.
Good morning, Oga Elohim. Hello.
Him. Okay,
we don't lose that call from Oga Elohim. Oga President come and talk, say, he will expose the failures of our past leaders.
Make him start to the
he don't already start to the expose them now.
Okay, fine.
He don't already start to the expose them.
Okay, fine. If you think your government is so credible enough to bring change, or you don't place change on ground, and say, okay, say because of this way they tackle you say you go expose the acts of them. Past leaders. Let us see you expose them. Let us see you expose them. Tell us, see what now, what this person no agree to. See what now, what this person no agree to. See what you don't do. What don't bring the change. As a result of that, we go feel Nigerians go feel assess.
He never they do am.
Nigerians go feel assess.
He never they do am. He know they do am.
Don't keep telling us say you will do this, you will do this, you will do this.
Fellow Nigerians.
You are not doing anything.
Fellow Nigerians.
Let us see you expose.
We get two categories. Make I explain. We get two categories of people who don't lead this country. Two categories of people. One, people who don't rule this country by force.
The military.
The military.
Yes.
And two, people when we say Nigerians give them the mandate to rule this country. Now, make I come and explain something, give you. For this country,
before you explain that thing, hold on. Before you explain that thing, Dennis, they call us from Aja. Good morning, Dennis.
Okay, Dennis, we hear you. Good morning. He be like, say, we don't lose that call from Dennis from Aja. I go and explain what I want to explain. Okay, explain. We get two categories of leaders who don't rule us for this country. Number one, people who don't rule us by force. And number two, people who say Nigerians give the mandate. If you rule us by force, you suspend our constitution. Come force yourself. Turn dictator for our country. I don't want to even talk about you at all. Now, people when we say we give our mandate to rule us, what will be the hallmark of this our democracy?
Even with the hallmark.
Allow me to. I never finish my point.
Okay.
For this country, never ever in the history of this country, people don't feel beat their chest, sit down for house, say, okay, oh, I won't go out, go vote, and my vote go count. Now, under this administration, Edo State, it happened. Osun State, it happened. Anambra State, it happened. Ekiti State, it happened.
Hold on.
Now, Oga Jonathan,
Fatima is calling us from Niger. Good morning, Fatima.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Mrs. Fatima from Niger.
This is a very tough program. I love this program very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, concerning this issue of democracy or not democracy, one thing we need in this country is change. We need change. Things are going from bad to worse every day. This, as in good dog, entered this as a lap post. I've never get any something from it. Just imagine the other day, students spend almost 8 months plus at home doing nothing. And it affects a lot of students. So what I believe that once Buhari entered inside that, I believe that things will change for good.
And people not going to sit down for house again.
Fatima has made the point. Sitting at home.
Things must surely change. Thank you very much.
It must, Fatima. Things must surely change. See, sitting at home
for Nigerians to come and talk about change now. Now because of what Oga Jonathan don't do.
8 good months, you are sitting back at home.
For what
a student. What be that way? Oga Jonathan, no feel call, say, okay, you want to get issue. What if that way we hear na price?
He get waiting with the call trade disputes.
See,
he get waiting with the call trade disputes.
Polytechnic,
some unions,
almost 1 year. You know how what how it don't affect the life of those people negatively.
Why you call the student? What it happen?
So, whose job is it to just make sure?
Will you blame that on the president? Will you blame that on the president?
Who will I blame it on?
Will you blame it on the president?
Who will I blame it on?
Abemo will take this call. We get caller from Oshogo. Oga caller, you'll be one of our wonderful callers. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga.
Good morning, Oga caller.
Well done. You see, the problem with all this thing is that corruption did not start yesterday night.
Thank you very much. Tell them.
You cannot expect something that did not start yesterday to end today.
Thank you.
It started long ago. Now, it was this same Buhari that said, was in 2011, that all ACM governors are corrupt.
Thank you.
Today, they are no longer corrupt.
They are no longer corrupt. They are now his friends.
It was the same Buhari that was of the opinion that Amechi, a PDP governor then, was bad. Today he's dining.
He's no longer bad. He's now born again.
So is he no longer bad?
He's now born again.
The PDP governors that cross-capital to APC, are they no longer bad?
Thank you.
I mean, come down to the southwest. You see what the APC governors are doing. Are you telling me that they are not corrupt?
Thank you.
So when Buhari was saying that we jail all the corrupt people, I think he should start with his henchmen.
Begin from his friends.
He doesn't even need to get to power to deal with them. Let him take them to court.
Thank you.
Sue as many people as possible from them. Because if you are dining and whining with corrupt people, what does that make you?
You are corrupt too. You are eating from the same plate with corrupt people. You are eating from the same plate with corrupt people. It means that you are corrupt. Thank you very much, Oga Kola from Osogbo. Thank you very much.
Chukudi.
Oga Jonathan, don't they expose the failures of our past leaders?
Make we see this now.
I just tell you about in the area of education. Almajiri, 40 Almajiri schools.
Make we see
waiting on this government they do before.
We get Obasi. Obasi is calling us from ABJ. Good morning, Obasi.
Good morning, Chukudi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
When they talk of change, I don't hear all those people where they talk of change. If they talk of change, you know go come out from Buhari.
Thank you.
Buhari
you know go back to the past.
Come out from Buhari because Buhari time don't pass. That analog time don't pass. So this time around, digital time. And during this time, because now only person will no read history, will no go back to history. Now you go back to vote for Buhari, make it come back to this new era. You know it happened because when he was head of state, military head of state, he was biased in the way of handling corruption.
Yes.
Because look at the way when he overthrew somebody that overthrown civilian government and is coming back to rule as a civilian president, which cannot be done in this country.
Thank you very much, Oga Obasi.
Imagine for somebody to topple civilian government and now coming back. When he was there, this person, Shegu Shagari, put him in a house arrest, and while Ekweme was in a prison.
Thank you.
So he was biased in the way of treating handling issue of corruption.
Thank you.
And how can he handle corruption when everybody around him, I don't want to mention names, they are corrupt. How will he handle that?
Oga Obasi, thank you very much. You don't make very strong points.
People who are here, because look at the issue of light. Like that yesterday on, I don't contribute, but that yesterday on, look at that issue of light with OBJ. OBJ pumping so much amount in power sector, yet it did not work out. But when Jonathan came in, because I remember vividly, when I came in, I remember in the area of power sector, it has improved drastically. You understand? So what are we talking about change? Because we have a lot of sabotage trying to paint Jonathan as
undermine the government.
You understand?
Thank you very much, Oga Obasi. Continue to watch as E DEY HOT. Make you call us. We appreciate your point where you don't make very strong point. Thank you very much, Oga Obasi. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Obasi. Man, quickly, may I read this message? This is from Paul. Paul thought, say, look, but before we go enter the messages, make we first quickly go on this quick break, and we will come back. Yes, welcome back. The program now as E DEY HOT. And a quick reminder, with the topics we will talk about today, now the two different statements where the men at the top, that is the two presidential strong candidates at the top, where they make. And one, the one where Oga Muhammadu Buhari talk, where he talks, say, look, say, he go send all corrupt leaders to Kirikiri. And then the second thing, talk, now the one where Oga Jonah talk, where he talk, say, look, say, he go expose that he go open the nash of all ex-leaders. So now this matter with the talk, I would also receive calls from una will be our beautiful viewers. And still, the phone line still open. May I continue to the call. So Chukudi,
yes.
Before I go on that break, I want to read one quick message. And the message talks from Paul. Paul talks to see, for any presidential candidate to publicly declare, say, do it, say you go send corrupt Nigerians to jail. That shows that should tell us the situation are most likely to change for better in Nigeria. Listen, because see, what Buhari just did is unprecedented in the democratic history of Nigeria. Okay, wait and see if any corrupt Nigerian will be spared.
We not go wait and see anything.
What are you saying? Let him come into power.
Oga Obasi just tell us, say, not be today, they don't start to talk. He don't mention some people before, say, these people, they corrupt. Now, he don't they chop from the same place with them.
See,
we not go wait.
It is one good thing to
die. If you begin to chop from the same place with corrupt people, then it means that you are corrupt.
The people they mention say they corrupt. Okay, make we know if
yeah, you see, Nigerians,
let him come into power and see if change will not come.
We know they wait for him to come into any power. We are not going back. Nigeria, yes. It is forward ever. It is forward ever. We are not going to go back to the old era. Make I take this message. This one are from Mark Tayazamu Sunday. Mark Tayazamu talk say, Unkubi, we know the military era again. Oh, in Dragam, Unkubi, we know the military era again. Oh.
Okay, hold on. Make we quickly collect this call from Lillian. Lillian is calling us from Kebbi. Good morning, Lillian.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good
day fine, oh.
So, please, I want to comment on this issue of government changing or whatever.
Okay.
Please, they should leave Jonathan alone.
Thank you.
Let him do the work that God sent him to do.
Thank you.
Because I believe God sent him to do a lot of work.
Thank you, Sister
They are
Lillian.
not giving him chance to do it. Buhari of a thing. Every time Buhari, the previous time that Buhari governed this country, we did not achieve anything from him.
Nothing, no,
Please,
nothing.
They should give Jonathan a chance. Let him do what God sent him to do in this country. They have not given him chance since when he entered the government.
They have been distracting him.
Distracting him.
Thank you.
Think over it, you, the other man. Think over it. If you are the one seated on that chair, can you be able to do something?
In fact, he has been trying. Will you be able to do anything?
The train has been working for a long time.
Thank you.
Since he entered, for a long time it has not been working.
Thank you.
Since he entered, they started working. Please think over it. We should give him chance to do something.
Thank you very much.
To go and rest. Let the young ones come up.
Thank you very much.
Achieve what we can achieve in this country.
Sister Lillian, as Sister Lillian don't talk, Sister Lillian talk say, make we allow him continue to do what God say make he do. As he dey hot in a program when God give una, say make una dey talk as he take concern Nigeria. So make una continue to dey watch as he dey hot. After this one, we go take this call quickly from Jude. Jude, they call us from Abuja. Oga Jude, good morning, sir.
Oga Chikodi, good morning.
Good morning. Happy New Year, Oga.
Good morning.
Happy New Year. In fact, in Kwadi, I know I beat you at all.
What did I do now? Say I speak for somebody like you again.
Who you they speak
this
for?
This country truly need a change.
Yes.
But we don't need old change.
Thank you.
We don't need this scam man we don't old finish.
Old school change. Old school change.
Give up. Assuming this man is a young man and is coming with fresh cabinet that we know these are vibrant people,
thank you,
would have been happy. These are the same criminals in the PDP that is starting to fly all around with. So what change? Is he telling us that he will not come in and pack all these people and begin to send them to Kirikiri? Or what are you saying?
Thank you.
If good luck is to sit there and all these people did not support him and they now run away to go and form other body to come and fight him not to work. What are they coming to do?
Thank you very much.
Are the same people that are supposed to have delivered before now.
Thank you very much.
Are now running away from where they cannot deliver to go and form another body of lies that they are coming to deliver to us. How? Are you bringing in a different God that we don't know? Because the same God we are serving, you are supposed to have been practicing. Let them give this man a chance and support him to do what is supposed to be done. Because the president alone does not run the country.
Thank you.
It is all of us, you and me, that will play our own individual role for him to succeed, even if he's taking the glory. Because you talk of electricity, it doesn't come on and off the NEPA. There are people that are delegated to that.
Thank you.
Even if Boko Haram is fighting us today, you don't expect good Lord to carry gun and go to Manisa Forest and start fighting Boko Haram.
Thank you.
People are there that are running the statistics, the strategy on how to protect the country.
Thank you.
It is not the president.
Thank you very much.
Even though he stays in Aturok there, he's not finding it easy because that man is growing old. You can see gray hair coming because of the heat. So let's support him.
Thank you
Let
very much.
Buhari go and relax.
Thank you very much. You don't make very, very important